Right, hello everybody. I've had, well, it's actually a request that I separate my background papers from some of my kits and put them into like categories, you know, like pinks, red, not pinks and reds, but blues, greens, yellows, pinks and reds and browns, that sort of thing. So you can download it. I've done it very cheap. So you can download them and just print out to use in everyday things, which I thought was a brilliant idea. I actually did do that myself anyway, but never thought of putting them on Etsy because of them already in kits, and I just felt as though, you know, but then not everybody has got all my kits. Okay, if you have, then you can do it yourself. So it did take quite a bit of time, to be honest, because I had to search through all the kits and get the papers and, you know, do that sort of thing. I did add a few bonus pages in each kit, you know, like this one's a new one, you know, 3 or 4, something like that, just to pop in, you know. Yeah, so anyway, this is the green, and I've also done the tickets where that's below. This is the green tones. So I'm going to show you. I think there's, in some of them, there's 20 pages, maybe 20 in this one, I'm not, yeah. And some 16, so some's £1.50 and some is £1.75, something like that. So these are the green ones. So all different. So they're the new. These ones a bit. That's definitely in a kit now. No. Actually, that's quite a minty green. It's near enough blue, but it was one of those I didn't really know where to put, so it's gone in with the greens. There we go. And like I think I did say, some may be a bit smaller. I'm not sure. Because my journals, my kits, a couple of years ago were like 11 by 8, I think, but I haven't seen any yet. These are all the same size, so. But then you can just say fill page, you know, and because a lot of these are repeat patterns, will fill a page easily, so. There. And that's that one now. So that's the greens. And then blue, these are new. I put the floral ones in this one because I wanted, it's really funny because I had these papers that I'd done ages ago and I thought, oh, do you know what, I want them, but I didn't, there's only a couple, 4 pages, so I thought, oh, you know, I'll pop them in with the blues. That one, that one. That one's very similar to the other, but, and that one. Okay, so that's the new ones, and these are all in the kits. I'm hoping that you can see them okay. Yeah. Okay, that's the blue. There's the yellows. Tiny bit of blue in that one. There's like a little bit of green in the background of that one. I think we've hit it lucky with the size. I was unsure that any of them were 11 by 8 instead of you know, full A4, but sorry, these have been done on my laser, so I can't get edge to edge printing on that. It's only on copier paper, so. There's quite a bright yellow, that one, but you know, sometimes, but I did do a toned down version of that anyway. But sometimes it's handy, and it's like that yellow as well, you know. We're doing a project where you need that. Well, if you coffee stain that, it wouldn't look like that anyway. It would tone down, so. Okay, and then this is like the neutral colours, browns, sepia, that type of thing. It's sort of just a little bit of work. That's great for a background on Jira, because it doesn't take a lot of ink, that one, but there's still something going on. That's in there, and it's like, that's a great coffee stained one. And another coffee stained one here. They're great for on the back of your, all these are actually, because they're all nice and supple. These are all lace. I don't know whether it's picking up. This is like a worded one, but it's quite subtle. Another coffee stain one. And there's like a little bit of text on that one. I like that one. And these are new. Yeah, and then those are as well. There's 4, yeah, so 4 new ones in there. I'm not sure whether that's in any kit, I can't remember. And then you've got sort of the red, pink and lilac. Right? I put all those together. I didn't have many pink actually. I need to do some more pink kits, I think. And this is sort of really nice colour. These are new. And same here, and then I've done one similar in that colour, in that pattern as well. So they're all the new ones. And that's sort of reddy, pinky. That's pink. Definitely pink. Yeah, these are all pink. And you've got your lilac ones. This is sort of like, actually quite blue, that one, but it's in with the lilac now. So sort of going through them, I think I was going a bit like, oh, too many colours. I couldn't really see. Yeah, here we go. That's pink. There's not many red in here, so. And this one I popped in. It's got a little bit of green, a bit of flower, but there. And then that's the one from the vintage days. I love that one. It's one of my favourite actually. All those from that kit are lovely. Right, so that's those ones. And then we've got the tickets. Right, the reason behind doing the tickets is that AliExpress was selling my, stole my designs, mass printed them, and they used to sell them as tickets. They used to, they've got cutting machines that print them out, cut them, put them into packs, and they've distributed them. And they've been for sale on Etsy and places like that. Or I can, once they come onto Etsy, I can put a stop to it. Etsy will, take the listing down. But I thought, do you know what? I'm going to offer it as a printable. Okay, so I think there's 10 pages and there's 16 tickets on each page, and I think they're a nice size. I've done it. I think it's sort of 1.5 by 2, something like that. Right. All right. That's, say, 2.5. Excuse my grubby ruler. By 1.5. Oh no, a bit bigger. Sorry, 1 3/4. Yeah, by 2.5. So again, when you could do 2 to a page and shrink them down again. All right, but that's the size I've got them. So they're quite a decent size. And so it works out 160 tickets. Again, this took me quite a while to do because I had to go through all my kits and then I had to extract them from the pages and put them all together here. So it took a while. I mean, some of them aren't totally aligned, but you should be okay just to cut them out, which I'm going to do. Not today, but I am going to do it because I want to use them. Yeah, so that's that one. Yeah, they was all for sale in packs and everything. And I thought, oh, why don't we do it? Why don't I do it? And you can print them out onto card, which I'll show you I've done in a minute. These are on just about 120. So I forgot I had that paper in my printer. And I printed them, so I've printed them twice. So it's loads of tickets. Hopefully you can see. I'm not sure. There you are. Just that in there. So just again, I've done it fairly cheap, just so that you can, you know, put them together. And I mean, like I said, some people won't have all my kits, so I get a lot of new ones. I put them together as best I could. But now it's done, I'm pleased, because that means I can just print them out and use them. I'm definitely going to shrink some down. And this is like cream card. They're printed on and they've turned out really nice. Really pleased. Yeah, so they've turned out good. It's more like an ivory card. So there we go. Okay, again, so thank you very much for watching, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye.